Okay, so first, I've been thinking about this all day. I wanted to come up with a word that would be kind of a theme for the month. So the word of the month is resourceful, because I feel that's one thing I pride myself on, is being resourceful and being creative and finding different solutions for things and just using, I think, making the best use of what I already have and just being grateful for what I already have as well. With Thanksgiving coming up, I thought that would be kind of a nice little tie-in. So the word of the month is resourceful. Yes. Okay, so first what I'm gonna do, roll up my sleeves, get serious. Okay, so I have these fine liner pens that I bought at Five Below, and Five Below is a discount store where in theory things are supposed to be $5. I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to use the 1 point. First, what I am going to do is I have to write the month. You guys, I'm serious. This is going to be just really simple. I don't want you to think this is going to be some kind of big fancy artsy thing. So first, what do? We write the month. I'm just going to put the days just straight down. I'm being very quiet while I do this because I have messed up in the past and put the same number twice or done something crazy. So being very quiet and just focusing. Here we are. What I'm going to do is put the days of the week. So the 1st of November is a Wednesday, so I'll go ahead and do that. I did it. I didn't mess up. I'm very happy for that. All right, I am going to draw some lines, and this may be a first for my channel, is actually using a ruler for something. Okay, so that is my month of November. I may put some stuff down here at the bottom, like maybe next month something for December. I don't know. I wanted to do leaves or something for fall. Okay, I'm going to. All right, got some leaves here. Ooh, I feel like an acorn or something, which I've never drawn. So this is just me winging it right now. Doop, doop, doop. Okay, that's an acorn. All right, I think I'll do the same on the other side. It's fall. Yes, I probably should draw like oak leaves or something that would be more, I guess, traditional for what people normally draw for fall, but I don't really know how to draw those that well. So this is what I'm doing. I'm being resourceful. I am drawing what I know how to draw. Cute. Cute. Okay, I am a Wizard of Oz fan, so I'm going to do, it's not going to be really in your face Wizard of Oz, but I do want to bring some of that imagery into it, because thinking about what you already have and thinking about where you already are in life is what I want to kind of focus on this month. So I'm going to put, yes. Okay, anytime I try to write large things, it ends up not being enough space, so I hope it is today. No. Okay. What resources do you have? Yeah, so do you ever think about that? Like, do you ever think about, oh, I have my health. Hopefully, I have people in my life who love me and support me. Hopefully, I have money, at least a little bit of money. I know that I definitely don't have as much money as I would like, but I do have enough to pay rent, and put food on the table, things like that, and pay for internet and cameras and the ability to be able to have a YouTube channel. I think about what I already have and how I can put those things to the fullest use, the best use. I just started reading a book called The Unfair Advantage, which kind of talks about that. It talks about the privileges that you already have in your life and how you can use those to be successful in business or in life. So yeah, now this part is the drawing part, and I'm a little nervous. I want to do brain. I'm gonna do brain first because you know why? Well, in the Wizard of Oz as well, you have the Scarecrow who was trying to get a brain, and he appeared first in the story, so I suppose that makes the most sense anyway. But also, just drawing the brain. I saw these really elegant line drawings and I wanted to try to copy that, only when I did it, it didn't look quite the same. So I'm just going to try my best. I have a whole page of notebook paper right now with all these squiggly looking brains, so we'll see. Okay. It's something. It's something. That's my brain. Oh, and I know what I wanted to do as well. All right, let me see if I can fit this. Okay, okay, okay. I see what I was trying to do there. All right, then we have, so brain. Let's think how it goes in the movie. It is, oh, it's been so long since I've seen the movie. All right, so it's Scarecrow, then Tin Man. Yes, okay, then Tin Man, then Lion. Okay, I remember now. All right, so brain, and then, oh God, then Tin Man has the heart. All right, hey, that's what I wanted to do next. Anyway, that works out. I draw a lot of hearts. So I'm drawing almost what looks like a skeleton, or a skull rather. Okay, and then I'm going to put two little eyeballs, and then put a little triangle for the nose, and then put a little smiley like that. Then you gotta give him the mane. Okay. All right, now this is gonna be a little little messed up because now I didn't give myself enough room on the bottom. That's okay. As with anything in this journal, that's okay. Okay. See, it almost makes sense. Courage is bigger because you have to have a lot of courage to be resourceful. I'm trying to justify this in some kind of way. Dorothy, at the end of the movie, she just wanted to go home. And I do appreciate my home. I don't want to live here forever, but I do appreciate having a roof over my head, having love in the house and support and all of that. So yes, I think if I were Dorothy, I would want to go home too. Okay, and home. There. And then a lot of lines. Okay, so I'm going to put okay. The reason I really want to make a monthly spread is to start incorporating more of monthly habits into my routine. Start to do, there are certain things that I want to do just once a month, and it felt weird to put it in a weekly spread because I wouldn't always know which week I wanted to do this thing. And so then it's like, well, do I put the task every week and then just hopefully one day decide to do it, or do I leave it out? And then, so yeah, I'm like, okay, I need a monthly spread. Artist date. I suppose it didn't have to be solo. Yes, it does. Okay, and then I want to like sandwich the not so fun things in with the fun things. So every month I want to do a financial assessment. So I'm going to put a little checkbox next to each one. Checkboxes are my life. I love them very much. Okay. Okay, y'all. I think that's all I can do for now. That's all I have to give artistically. I've given you everything. I do have a lot of white space down here at the bottom. I'll figure something out. Or it could just stay blank and white. That is fine by me. I just have to make sure when I do my morning check-in that I'm also checking my monthly spread as well. Yes. So with going with the theme of resourcefulness here, I also made some new journaling prompts. So here, I will close this guy up for a second so you can see. 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes before I go to bed, journaling, and I write down my little prompts on this card. So yes, keeping with the color theme, I was very together, I guess, today, in terms of just, well, some may call it together, some may call it lazy, just because I didn't feel like picking out any sort of color schemes or anything like that. I have, what's one thing I'm looking forward to today? What did I do yesterday that I can do today? This one is new, and it's probably difficult to read what I wrote there, but it just says, can I just... And then I have to fill in the blank with a 5-minute thing that I can do today. Ideally, something that I can do to get me closer to my goals. And lastly, how will I take care of my body today? I have not done a great job lately of taking care of myself physically. I have been eating, just eating whatever I can fit into my mouth. And I haven't been walking, doing my morning walking. I've completely neglected my steps, so just everything. So yes, I want to be more mindful of what I'm doing to my body and how I'm taking care of it. So just, I feel every day if I think about that, then I'll start to see improvements. So that's the hope. And then at the bottom, I put be resourceful. Now, whoop. All right, so then we have PM questions. Okay, what are 2 things I am grateful for? What was the highlight of the day? Next, how was I resourceful today? And how did I take care of my body? So front, I have how will I take care of my body? Back, I have how did I take care of my body today? Then I have I am resourceful. It's because I can't be resourceful. I'm going to bed. And then I just put some cute little... That's supposed to be Z's, like for sleep, but... So, those are the journaling prompts that I will do every day this month, and then I will see, maybe I'll do different questions every month, or maybe I'll stick with these for a while. Who knows? But that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Here, I'll give you one last look at my monthly spread. I hope you leave me a like. If you feel like seeing more, I do weekly spread videos every Sunday morning. So if you'd like to make sure you see those, definitely subscribe. And I will see you very soon. Upside down wave, goodbye.